In front of me is Motorola Edge 70 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling to click on this section called Security and Privacy. Then scroll to tap on Device Unlock and finally select Screen Lock. Now it's time to decide which login method you wanna set up: pattern, PIN or password. When you're ready, create it, and if you made a mistake, just hit clear at the bottom left corner and redo it. When you're ready and sure of your login method, hit next and repeat it to confirm it. Then select confirm and tap on done. Last but not least, you need to answer this question to adjust lock screen notifications. What do you want your lock screen to show? Show all notifications on lock screen, show sensitive content only when unlocked, or don't show notifications at all. Whatever you decided, when you're ready, select done. So now let's check it out. When I switch off my screen, turn it back on and swipe up, icons that pattern is required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!